Hello friends, I'm Swapan and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Today I'll discuss about watercolor painting. Actually, it was my online class work. Here I have shown the process how you draw the drawing. This is a very common God's picture, Swarasati's picture. At first you have to complete the picture with mannequin structure. After that you have to complete the drawing properly. Then we can start watercolor. I told you that it was my online class work. Students, here I have shown the process with very easy clear process. If you follow these steps, mannequin structure, then you can find out the hidden portion properly. It's very important because if you find out the hidden portion properly, then you can draw any drawing or any figure drawing very easily. Here I have shown the particular size also. If you want to follow this size, you can follow, because it's a very important of measurement properly, because if you want any drawing, you should follow these steps, because if you have idea about the process of the human figure, then you can draw. Otherwise you have to face so many problems. So that's why I mentioned the measurement. So students, see, at first I told you that at first you will complete the figure very clearly. Before completing the figure, you should complete the mannequin structure. After that you can start the watercolor. Here I have shown the watercolor step by step. At first you have to complete the first tone clearly. When you will apply the first tone, at that time you should catch the light portion properly, because it's the important things. If you follow light tone properly, then you can draw or you can complete the painting gradually. And try to avoid dark things, because we are following the watercolor here. We are applying the watercolor here. So that's why I am saying that try to find out light portion first. After that you should apply second tone, then third tone. Just you have to complete the picture tone by tone. Then I'm sure that you can find out you can complete the picture very easily. So my friends, if you want to complete this picture, you should also apply the volume, because it's also too tough. Also drapery, you have to feel all the things. You should touch the sari portion. You should feel the hair and skin tone. Also, if you find out the particular color, you should apply a tester pad. See, this is a tester pad. When you will apply any painting or when you will start any watercolor painting, at that time you should apply the color. How you will get this color, particular color. So it's the important things I told so many times, and I'm sure that if you follow these steps and this process, you can draw this one very easily. So friends, it was my online classwork, and all students learned this one very easily. Also, if you want this drawing, or if you want to make this painting, you can apply these things, and I'm sure that you can also benefit. And if you need any help, so please contact with me. So students, please complete the painting properly, and please WhatsApp me, and if you need any problem, sure you can call me. So students, bye.